The St. Louis Metropolitan Pandemic Task Force addressed the public today to mark another key moment in the pandemic.
Tonight, Fox 2's Michaela McGee is live downtown with what doctors say will get us over this next hump. Michaela?
Well, as we've slowly been seeing restrictions lift, many people are wondering, when will life get back to normal? Dr. Alex Garza and the St. Louis Pandemic Task Force team noted how much progress our region has made since the beginning of the pandemic, but say the work is not done yet.
If we look at a reasonable guess on what would happen if we relax too fast, too soon, we could easily end up right back where we were.
In a media briefing at St. Louis University on Friday, Dr. Alex Garza and the St. Louis Pandemic Task Force team said we are at a critical point in the pandemic that could propel us forward or push us back.
Our work isn't done yet. We still have a significant amount of work that needs to be accomplished if we want to save more lives and fully reopen our economy.
Hospitalizations are down and more than 1.2 million vaccines have been administered in the region. But medical professionals are starting to see numbers flatline. The task force says there's a decrease in demand, a fall off in registration and appointments, and fear surrounding the vaccine.
We've been repeatedly asked, when can we go back to normal? And the answer really is not yet.
Dr. Garza says if restrictions such as masks and social distancing are lifted too soon, we could see a spike in cases come July. Missouri is currently in the bottom 10 states in terms of number of new cases. And if we stay focused on herd immunity through vaccination, maintain proven measures, and carefully monitor new variants, normal could be closer than we think.
There's still hope, though, and we're so very close. And we need to hold on just a little bit longer to snuff out those smoldering embers of the pandemic so it's not going to become a raging wildfire again.
If we want to emerge from this with safer and healthier communities, if we wish to return to life that feels more normal, we have to get vaccinated. It is the only way to keep ourselves and our communities safe.
The task force mentioned a study that reports half of Missourians plan on not getting vaccinated, which could interfere with the timeline of getting things back fully opening and running. For more information on vaccines and for vaccination destinations, you can go to our website at fox2now.com. Live downtown, I'm Michaela McGee, Fox 2 News.